Hi, my name's Joe. I'm a drummer based in Liverpool. I've been drumming for about 13 years, 12 to 13 years. I'm in a band called Gateway. We play a lot of heavy metal stuff, but we also do a little bit of pop punk stuff on the side. I play the 5A and the 5A reaches. And one of my favourite things about the company is the reaches. Just with the little bit of extra length that you get the tiniest bit more weight, and it just slightly means that you can hit the snare just a little bit harder, getting you like the perfect sound. There's also, because it's made by drummers, it's a lot of opinions get heard that don't normally get heard when you're speaking to like other companies about stuff, and that's like a massive thing for me. I have a lot of opinions that I want to make, and I get listened to by the company. And my third thing is just the artists that they work with. I'm a massive fan of South Arcade at the moment, and to say that I am with the same company that, you know, their drummers with, that is a massive thing for me. You know, it just makes me feel like I'm really going in the right direction of where I want to go and being with the right company that I should be with. The song that I'm going to be playing is Can You Feel My Heart by Bring Me the Horizon. We played this at one of our recent gigs, obviously using the Collision 5A reaches, and I hope you enjoy.